What if I told you that most people fail at retirement not because they didn't earn enough money, but because they held on to the wrong things for far too long? Warren Buffett has warned for decades that wealth isn't destroyed by bad luck, it's destroyed by bad habits. And today, you're going to hear the 5 things Buffett believes you must sell, mentally, financially, and emotionally, before you retire, or risk spending your final years stressed, dependent, and full of regret. This is not about panic. This is not about fear. This is about clarity. Stay until the end, because the 5th one is the most dangerous and almost nobody talks about it. Introduction. Warren Buffett is one of the richest people in history, but more importantly, he is one of the calmest investors the world has ever seen. He didn't build his fortune by chasing trends, gambling on hype, or working endlessly into old age. He built it by understanding when to hold and when to sell. Retirement is not just an age, it's a transition, and transitions require letting go. Before you retire, there are 5 things Buffett would tell you to sell. Not stocks, not bonds, things far more important. Let's begin. Thing number 1. Sell the illusion that more money will fix everything. Most people enter retirement believing one dangerous lie: if I just had a little more money, I'd finally feel safe. Warren Buffett has repeatedly warned against this mindset. He once said that if you're not happy with $1 million, you won't be happy with 10 million. The illusion of just a little more keeps people working long after they need to. It keeps them anxious even when they are financially stable. It turns retirement into a moving target that never arrives. Buffett understands that money solves problems, but it does not create peace. Peace comes from knowing your needs, understanding your lifestyle, and accepting enough. People who fail to sell this illusion often do one of 2 things. They delay retirement endlessly, or they retire with fear. Neither leads to freedom. Buffett's approach is simple. Define what enough looks like, build toward that number, and once you reach it, stop letting greed whisper that you're still not safe. Retirement isn't about maximizing wealth, it's about maximizing peace. Thing number 2. Sell debt before it sells your freedom. Warren Buffett hates debt. Not because it's always mathematically wrong, but because it steals flexibility. In retirement, flexibility is everything. Debt forces fixed payments. Fixed payments force stress. Stress destroys freedom. Many people enter retirement still carrying credit cards, car loans, personal loans, and even mortgages they never planned to keep this long. They assume they can manage it until one medical issue, one market downturn, or one unexpected expense changes everything. Buffett believes the best return on investment before retirement is eliminating debt, not chasing higher returns, not timing markets, removing obligations. When you retire debt-free, your monthly needs drop dramatically, your portfolio lasts longer, your sleep improves, your decisions become calm instead of desperate. Debt in retirement turns small problems into emergencies. Sell it while you still have income. Thing number 3. Sell risk you no longer need. One of Buffett's most misunderstood ideas is that risk changes with time. What was acceptable risk at 30 becomes dangerous at 65. When you're young, volatility is opportunity. When you're retired, volatility is stress. This doesn't mean Buffett believes retirees should abandon investing. It means they should abandon unnecessary risk. Speculative stocks, over-leveraged real estate, complex investments you don't fully understand. These are not tools for peace. Buffett's philosophy is simple. Never risk what you need for what you don't need. Before retirement, your goal shifts from growing wealth aggressively to protecting purchasing power and generating reliable income. Those who refuse to sell excess risk often learn the hard way, during the first major market crash after they stop working. Sell risk before risk sells your lifestyle. Thing number 4. Sell the belief that you'll always be able to work. This is one of the most dangerous assumptions people make. I'll just work a little longer. I'll always have the option to earn more. Buffett warns that this belief ignores reality. Health changes, energy changes, opportunities disappear faster than people expect. A retirement plan that relies on future labor is fragile. Buffett prepared his finances as if he might be unable to work tomorrow, even while he continued working by choice. The goal is optional work, not required work. If your retirement plan collapses without your labor, it's not a plan, it's a gamble. Sell the assumption that time and energy are guaranteed. And finally, perhaps the most emotionally difficult thing to sell, the need to impress other people. Buffett considers this one of the most expensive habits in human history. Luxury cars, bigger homes, expensive lifestyles designed for status rather than happiness. Buffett has lived in the same modest house for decades, not because he can't afford more, but because he understands something most people never learn. Impressing others is a debt that never gets paid off. In retirement, fixed income meets social pressure. Those who never sell the need for validation often overspend, draw down savings too fast, and live with constant anxiety. Buffett values independence over appearance. True wealth is not being rich, it's being free. And freedom requires letting go of ego. Conclusion. Before you retire, sell these 5 things. The illusion that more money will make you safe, debt that steals your flexibility, risk you no longer need, the belief that you'll always be able to work, and the need to impress people who don't matter. Warren Buffett didn't win by chasing more. He won by choosing wisely. Retirement is not the end of earning, it's the beginning of living. And what you sell before you retire matters just as much as what you buy. End. Now the story continues deeper, expanding every idea without pause, without separation, because retirement is not a checklist. It is a psychological transformation that unfolds over years, sometimes decades, and Warren Buffett has always understood that money is only the surface layer of a much deeper human struggle. When people approach retirement, they are not just stepping away from a job, they are stepping away from identity, routine, validation, and certainty. And this is why selling the wrong things too late can quietly destroy even large fortunes. Buffett often emphasizes that the biggest mistakes are not made in spreadsheets, they are made in the mind. And that is why the illusion of more money is so dangerous. People believe safety lives in numbers, but safety actually lives in simplicity. A retiree with modest needs and clear thinking is far richer than a millionaire trapped in fear. Buffett's life demonstrates this truth repeatedly. He never upgraded his lifestyle just because his net worth grew. He upgraded his understanding. He knew that every additional dollar beyond enough had diminishing emotional returns, yet every additional obligation increased stress exponentially. This is why he warns against letting income expansion dictate lifestyle expansion. When you fail to sell this illusion before retirement, you turn what should be a calm phase of life into a constant chase, always worried about market swings, inflation headlines, and social comparison. And that fear often leads to the second silent destroyer of retirement peace, debt, which Buffett views not as a financial tool for retirees, but as a chain. Debt forces future behavior. It removes choice. In retirement, choice is everything. The ability to say no, to rest, to help family without fear, to weather a bad year without panic, all of this disappears when debt remains. Buffett understands that markets fluctuate, but debt payments do not care about timing. They arrive on schedule, regardless of recessions, illness, or personal loss. Many retirees discover too late that even small debts become heavy burdens once income shifts from active earnings to fixed distributions. This is why Buffett advocates eliminating debt aggressively before retirement, even if mathematically investing might appear more profitable. Peace of mind has a return that cannot be measured on a chart. Once debt is gone, the retiree faces the next challenge, risk, which must be redefined. Buffett never says risk is bad, he says misunderstanding risk is fatal. Younger investors can recover from volatility because time is on their side. Retirees cannot. Sequence of returns risk becomes real, and one bad decade early in retirement can permanently damage a portfolio. Buffett's wisdom here is subtle. He does not advise abandoning stocks entirely, but he strongly discourages complexity and speculation. Retirees who chase high returns often do so out of fear, not logic, and fear leads to concentration, leverage, and fragile strategies. Buffett's approach is durability. He prefers businesses that produce consistent cash flows, simple portfolios that can be understood under stress, and allocations that allow retirees to sleep at night. Selling unnecessary risk is not about becoming conservative, it is about becoming realistic. Retirement portfolios are not meant to win competition.